Hey guys, welcome back. You know, I'm just gonna be completely honest. I look like a mess. I'm just, you know, having a depressed day, but we're gonna pull through it. So I apologize, I'm not really camera ready, if you want to call it that. But anyway, so today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November 2020, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And this will be a short video, but I really wanted to go ahead and film and at least get it up for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this brush set by Farrah. Looks like it's a 5-piece eye brush set. I didn't get a card this month. I'm just remembering. I've already opened this and looked through it because I can't help myself. So I can't tell you much about anything. Okay. Here's what they look like. Looks like we have a 3 mini taper blending right here. We have a large shading brush, a tapered blending, a fly wing, so winged, I guess it's supposed to be for winged liner, but it's pretty thick. And then we have a short shader brush right here. So not bad. It looks like these are just minis, but they seem pretty good. They're soft. They're not the softest, but, well, this one's pretty soft. Okay, so moving on. Next, we have from Tristique a mascara. I've tried this before. It's really cool because it has a eyelash curler on it. It's in the shade black. So, down here you have the mascara and you just twist it off. But on the top, it has its, you know, eyelash curler. Which that'd be cool, you know, if you're traveling and you don't have room for eyelash curler, you have that. And then next we have something from Flesh. It's the Touch Flesh Highlighting Balm in the shade 100 Startle. I don't think I've tried anything from Flesh before. Go ahead and swatch it. There we go, that's pretty. And then, so I got an eyeshadow palette. This is by Complex Culture, which I believe is Ipsy's brand. We've gotten a lot of brushes from them. So I'll be completely honest, I tried this a little bit ago. I tried to do my makeup, I couldn't. But these aren't the most pigmented shadows. It does have something on here that, like, maybe for a beginner, it has step 1, 2, and 3, and they should tell you which brushes to use. So the first one is All Over Shadow, Easy Crease Definer, and Precision Eyelid, which looks like the brushes that they, I guess, sell or give you in your bags. So if you have those, it tells you which ones to use. But it's got it set up into 3 looks, I guess. You've got workwear, brunch, and night out. But when I tried these, it took a lot of building to get anywhere, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I was hoping for just a little bit more pigment, if that makes sense. But they're swatching pretty good. I know my lighting's not the best. I'm just in my living room. I may go ahead and refilm this video. I'm not sure. I'm just, you know, just having one of those days. But it is a pretty palette, so, you know, maybe it is geared more towards a beginner. You know, you wanting to learn how much to put on your brush and, you know, how to do it. So, you know, I'm still happy with it and I will continue to use it. And then the last thing I got is from Morphe, the 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer. 8 shades for a glam glow. So a highlighter and contour palette. Oh, and here's the, you know, traditional, I guess, from what I have, Morphe packaging. And it's got a really big mirror. That's what it's looking like. It does seem to be a little on the deeper side. I'm not sure how well it will look or work out for me, but I'm sure if I don't go too heavy-handed, I can make some of those shades work. But the highlighter looks good. The Stardust, and there's Lit, Stardust, Supernova, and Cosmic over here on the highlighters. Try to get you a good look at them. I'm not sure I'm going to use this yet, so I'm not going to swatch it, but it just gives you a good idea. So that's what I got. You know, I hope you'll subscribe. I know this is not a good video. I'm sorry. I'm doing my best to get by. But thank you for taking the time out to watch this anyway, and I hope you will think about subscribing and like this video, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!